One or more of your gadgets were placed in positions that are no longer available for gadgets due to update of the world. They have been returned to your inventory. One or more of your gadgets were placed in positions that are no longer available. Oh, really? What? Oh, that's new. Are my little slimes okay? That's good. Weird. It's like, is it just these? Wait. I don't know, actually. Oh my god, I'm a little nervous. But yeah, the game just updated, guys. I am back with the new update. Wait. No, that's still there. Map. Everything looks the same. I don't know what exactly, but I'm gonna find out. But I don't get what's been placed down or what's been taken off. I don't remember. And now I'm a little upset because I can't figure it out. It's not the bells. It was a spring pad somewhere, maybe? I'm not sure. Anyway, new message. Beatrix, I've received another message from the AI that I have been in communication with since your arrival at Rainbow Island. The message was somewhat personal to me, but also contained vital information for you. So in the interest of presenting all data to its fullest, I will read them verbatim. Victor, thank you for chatting with me over those many days in which I got to know you better. I must confess that I had entered our correspondence with the aim of verifying your scientific ability. Our correspondence has not only assured me of this, but unexpectedly has provided comfort and companionship in the dark days that I now find myself within. I am sending you a partial blueprint to a gadget I tried to develop but cannot. If you can complete it, I believe it is the key to entering the Great Labyrinth. Please understand, Victor, that I never meant to deceive you, but I need to know who I can trust in order to stand a chance of fixing things. If that happens, I'd love to meet you someday. I'd love to play another game of Go over coffee until the sun rises once more. And that's all it says. What was given to me was a complex blueprint of particle schematics and frankly almost alien code. I have spent days analyzing it, and I believe I have modified it to a finished state that should perform the task that it was designed to do. At least I hope so. To be frank, I do not wish to let this person down. I feel like I owe it to them as a friend. So allow me to grant you the complete blueprint per their instructions. It appears to be a device that you will need to use near the entrances to the labyrinth, but I'm afraid I know a little less. If unsure just how to use it well, experiment. That is the only way to know the unknown. Good luck, Beatrix. It seems we're all counting on you now. Radiance projector. Let's see. And also, ooh, there's more blueprint. Nice. Let me take a drink first. Okay, I have everything I need. This device can help restart long dormant devices at Great Labyrinth. But now the question is, where would I need to go? Other than there. The Great Portal area. That's a little too convenient, but anyways, let's go craft it real quick. Ooh, there's new upgrades and slimes I have not looked at yet. Dang it. And 2 new ones. Interesting. Okay, so, heart module. I need another heart cell. Another power chip. Oh my god. Okay, I need to calm down. Calm down. Ooh, there's new stuff too. Calm down. Oh my god. I'm gonna get too excited. Oh, New animation, nice. Okay, we'll start with 1 for now. Alright, let's head to... the Gray Portal, after I give my little slimes these real quick. The Snowy Teleporter. Here. This is what I was remembering. These light thingies are here. And did anybody go inside here? Wait, what? When did this open up? Ooh. I never seen this before. How? This must be the new update. And this must be the thing I need. Oh, I probably should have made 2 of these, shouldn't I? Yeah, I should have made 2 of them. And connect them together. Okay, I'll be right back. And we're back. And out of all places, the one I thought of was the place we needed to go. Oh? The portal. Where does it go? I have no idea because I'm stuck in this mode. That's better. And I can't zoom. There we go. Couldn't zoom out for a second. Oh my god. What the heck? Everything's floating. Alright, this is it. I'm so nervous. The Gray Labyrinth is on the map. I see. Oh, come here, please. Do they fight back? Is that a money cat? What? Oh, I can't suck them in. Interesting. So you guys are different. Ow, what? I guess my weapon can't do it. Unless... Do I need to get in the water or something? Let me test that. Oh no, water bad. Right? Or no? We'll have to feed him something. Ooh, this is gonna be a little interesting now. And of course, there's a door with a cage. Hello. It's you. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. Hello, Beatrix. I mean, Miss Lebu. I mean, is Beatrix okay? Yes. Sorry, I just can't believe I'm talking to you now. You're kind of a legend where I'm from. I'm sorry, you probably have a million questions, and I'm sorry, but I can only be so helpful. I'm on a positive now where I need to manage what I'm doing here at all times until we can fix it. It's very delicate work, so we'll need to keep our chats a little short. Are you Victor's friend? Okay, you seem to know me, but I don't know you. Oh, I'm so sorry. I should have introduced myself. I'm Gigi. I'm a botanist? an explorer, and lately a makeshift expert on alien technology. I'm sorry that I didn't make myself known better sooner, but I had to know for sure that you wouldn't be like the others, that you were someone I could trust. So you're the one that sent me the letter and the boat that brought me here. Yes, I can't do this alone, and you're the one person I believe who could help me. Help you with what? Help me save Rainbow Island, maybe even all the far, far range. You see, when I first came to Rainbow Island, I was so taken with its beauty, it was unlike anything I had ever seen before, but I eventually discovered this beauty came with a price. Long ago, something from a way out there in space crashed into what is now Rainbow Island, and slowly it began to change things. The rocks and cliffs blushed with color, and then rippled with veins of the same prismatic hues that sprouted from the grasses and other flora. I am so sorry. Even the atmosphere here was kind of hypercolor to it. It's everywhere, all spreading from the thing from space. That thing, I call it the Prismacar, changes the properties of everything around it. It started with color, but then material, even and elemental changes began. How do we stop it? Traverse through the great labyrinth and find me. I cannot leave my post, but I can communicate with you with these devices as you find them. Once you find me, we can try to stop what is happening here. In the meantime, I'll do my best to answer more questions as you think of them. But heck, even if you don't have any of it, will just be good to chat with another human. It has been so long. Tell me again why you need my help. Okay, G, I'll see you inside. Tell me again why you need my help. I need you to help me save Rainbow Island. Maybe even all in far, far range. You see, when I first came to Rainbow Island, I was so taken. Oh, I basically make her repeat it. No, I did it again. Hold on. Okay, Gigi, I'll see you inside. Good luck, Beatrix. And stay sharp when its colors here intensified. Things will get crazy. Oh, cool. She let me in. Not. Oh, yeah. Oh, cool. We got a compass, too. Or have we always had that there? Hey, some of our slime friends are here. Now here begs to... Ow. I can't see anything here. Okay. So there were 19 cores here? Midnight cores? I'm not sure. I hope my slimes will be okay at home. I don't know how long I'll be gone for. Shadow slimes. Interesting. Oh no. Let's give him carrots. Oh, okay. Thank goodness. Oh my word. This is gonna be a lot to learn from. And I hope I don't get lost. Hello, little slime friends. Excuse me. Ooh. Okay, I keep hearing that noise, but what is it? Come here. So what is this place anyway? It's a labyrinth, I know, but how does this all add up with all the slimes? Especially when there's mostly bat, pink, crystal, phosphorus, lava. I know there were some fire slimes here. And baddies. Oh. Hello? Ooh. Oh no. Oh no. Ow. Oh, come on. You can't eat any of that? Here, try that. Really? How about now? There we go. Better? Okay, so there's an entryway through this, and I gotta remember that. Oh, boom slimes are here too. Oh no, I heard that. Oh, I need floor. Oh no. You're safe now, little slot. Nope. Okay, I need charge real quick. And there's a strange diamond there too. Oh no! So what did this do? Or is there more? And I gotta find them. Oh my god, I am just walking in a death trap right now. Oh my word. I'll save you, Yoki. No, that's slime. Or tar. Okay, I got a lava thing done, but now what? Oh, I'm back where I started. I just went in a gigantic circle. Okay, let me just go back this way again. Oh, I didn't go this way. Ow, last time. Hey, guys. Nice have a water thing here. Okay. Oh, and the music changed. What are... Unstable resources? Unnatural objects with a slippery grasp on reality. What? Maybe this is why I gotta feed the shadow slimes. And a prisma floor. Interesting. Time to do some collecting. Oh, I can't hold on to them, can I? Interesting. Oh, this is very interesting indeed. Oh, and... Wow, they actually try to leave my path. So they're unstable and I can't hold on to them. So no matter how many I try to collect, they'll fall out. Interesting. Maybe I gotta get an upgrade for that. Yep, I do. Okay. I guess that's a firewall. Oh my word. Oh, what's this? Hey. Isn't it beautiful? Despite everything, there's a part of me that is still happy to see it all again. Am I still inside the labyrinth? I was in a room with strange lights and things got crazy. I'm going to get back to exploring. Am I still in the labyrinth? Yes, you're still inside the labyrinth, if you can't believe it. It's a total recreation of aspects in the environment outside, down to the atmosphere. But even more astonishing is the scale of it all. It's actually bigger on the inside than it is on the outside. A total mind bender. Not everything here will make sense at first, or maybe ever, so just do what you do best. Explore, collect, and figure out how best to navigate the place. Knowing your way around and understanding how things work here will provide valuable in time. I was in a room with strange lights and things got crazy. When parts of the labyrinth begin to shimmer and explode with radiant light, you need to watch out. I call them prisma disruptions. They are the unable bursts of energy generated by the prisma core. They come in waves, so learn to spot them and how to survive them. Because though the disruptions are dangerous, they will provide essential for our work here in time. I'm going to get back to exploring. Okay, Beatrix, you know where to find me if you need me. Well, sort of. So that firewall I touched was one of them. Interesting. Oh, black ignonium? Is that how you say it? Something tells me I can't hold on to him forever. Where am I anyway? Prismacore. Interesting. Oh, no way. A twin slime. Know thyself and thy other self. What? Yeah, they just disappear over time, too. Hey, little guys. Well, goodbye, little guys. Oh, new fruit. I don't want to say goodbye to Yoki Slime. But I guess I kind of need to. What's this one? Polary Cherry. Polary Cherry. Ow! Jerk. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry, I'm trying to sit. Never mind. I really need to get back home soon. Oh, careful. Have you watched the sunset inside the labyrinth? The darkness of night creeps in, yet it's an illusion, or at least it has to be. Speaking of darkness, what's with those shadowy slimes I've seen? Good question. I would also like to know that. Shadow slimes are a strange variant of slimes that seem to be in the opposing polarity of the Prismacore made manifest. I still don't know if they were specifically created by someone to be this kind of opposing force, or if they evolved to be that way. You know how nature always seems to find a way? Either way, shadowy plurals seem to provide a kind of dampening effect on Prisma disruptions. It's a long shot, but maybe they can somehow be used to negate the effects of the Prismacore. Got any shadow slime tips? They're slippery little fellows, aren't they? Shadow slimes will quickly flee from your Prisma disruptions, so your best bet is to search areas that were not recently under the effects of Prisma disruption. Once you do see a group of them, you'll need to sneak up on them, and then try to knock out as many plorts as possible before they all flee. So be sure to bring them extra junk in your backpack, just for that. Just don't go chasing one off a ledge or something. I'm definitely not speaking from experience there. Oof. Why did you trust me with all this, Gigi? I'm no hero, Beatrix, so I knew that I needed a real hero to stop what's happening here. And a hero, well, a hero you could trust. I mean, if you can't, then who else is there? So I tried to picture the perfect person for the job, and it was you. I had my trust broken before. That's what caused everything to go wrong. I trusted the wrong people, but this is my chance to make it right. You might not feel it yet, but you are a hero, Beatrix. You will become one in time. There are so many amazing adventures ahead of you, I promise. In time, there will be just another chapter, The Adventures of Beatrix LeBeau. Another story for some little girl to read under a tree and dream that her life might ever be as grand a tale. I better keep moving. Happy to shed some light for you whenever you need it. Ow. Bad. Do I have to put something in it? Like, ow! Like an unstable one, or... Oh, what the... Really? I'm just as confused as everything else. Hey, water friends. It's good to see some regular slime friends here. And to test something out with these. Are you kidding me? Yep, I need one of those unstable floors in order for it to work. Oh, brother. Or one of these? That's a no. Where? Wasn't I just climbing the building? Maybe so, but I guess we're gonna keep going this way now and see what's over here. Oh wait, I'm back to where I'm... Okay, well, I'm gonna go back and empty out my resources, and I'll meet you all later. You have got to be kidding me. Which floor is that? A crystal or a rock? Judged by all these, it must be a crystal. But there's no more unstable fruits. Oh man. I guess I'll have to come back later. Wait, how do I get out of here? Oh no. Am I forever lost in the lab? Oh, no, right there, right there. Phew. Whoa, okay. Okay, now, where was I going? This way? Mine. Oh, wild honey. Oh, wait. Magma cone. Ah. This just leads back to... Yeah, I don't need to go back down there. Stony egg lamp. I need to get back home. So it's not this way, it's me putting out more tars. It's this way. Ow. Oh, come on. Bullseye. Okay, I think I know what these are. These are for the unstable prismatic lords. If I can collect them later on. This way, right? Okay, not that way. This way? Yep, it was this way. Okay, we're back. We made it back to the portal. Okay. How did I miss this? Ooh, there's more stuff. I'll come back later. Ooh. My oh my, this is one heck of a journey. But I know what I gotta do now. I need to take the snowy portal out and move it. And oh man, you guys are hungry? Oh yeah, I've been gone for a long time. What am I thinking? Okay, let me deposit these real quick. Okay, so anything new on the update? Royal jelly? Where do I find that? Oh, tin petals? That's also a new one? And slumber plorts? Oh boy, this is gonna be one heck of an update. Plus now I gotta get the twin slimes a new home. They can sleep? This update is official. This is the best update ever. I didn't know slimes can sleep now. Oh yeah. What do you eat again? You eat fruit. You eat anything. You eat fruit. Yeah. 1 second. There you go. And for you, my dervish friend. Hey. Behave. Oh my god, you can collect shadow plorts. I don't want to wake the guys up, so I'm just gonna head over here and build a new home for these guys. Separate, because I'm still waiting for your... I'm gonna wait for your guys' reply on this one. Do the egg slime sleep? Nope, but they do make a lot of eggs, so hold on a second. There you go. What do you eat? Fruit. Noted. Actually, wait. Yeah, the polar cherries. I should have brought some back. Interesting. Now... Let me take care of the eggs real quick. Okay, one more. Okay, until we get some old chickens, I don't think we need any more in here. Now let me get the fruit here real quick. Because now these two can share. Now I feel like I gotta be quiet because I don't want to wake them. This is amazing. I love this. Oh my god, if slimes can sleep now, this is the best update ever. Don't want to wake them. Oh my god, this is adorable. Oh. Semi-awake? I am just speechless. This update is just so bizarre. Alright, I'm gonna take care of my slimes in the morning because I don't want to wake them actually. There we go. What's the message? Hello, Beatrix. Guess who's the luckiest person in the galaxy? You are, because you got a gift. Okay. You? Okay. And Bob. Thanks, guys. Okay, I was gonna say, I thought it was overfilled. Let me check in the shop, too, actually. Anything new? Oh, there is. A dream lantern, a gold slime floor panel, an ancient round pillar, excavation lights, and an ancient arch wall. I knew saving up money was good, but we need to get back to our goal again, and I accidentally let them shop. My bad. Cuckoo Corner! Oh, actually, now that I think about it, do they have new toys coming up? No, they do not. Dang. One thunderclock, one painted, one sea hen, and one rooster. Perfect. Even water slime sleep? Best update, 10 out of 10. Sorry guys, I don't mean to wake you, I just need to get some stuff done. Gotta donate these suckers. Alright, I'm going to end the video here because, my word, this was so much to take in. And when I come back, I'm going to take care of my slimes. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Your choice, not mine. I'll see you all next time for the next part.